Are you tired of lugging around heavy vacuums that make cleaning a chore? Say goodbye to cumbersome cleaning tools and hello to the Bissell Zing lightweight, bagless canister vacuum. This powerful yet compact vacuum is designed to make cleaning your home a breeze, from carpets to hard floors and everything in between. Let's explore why the Bissell Zing is the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Bissell Zing lightweight, bagless canister vacuum. Powerful suction for thorough cleaning. The Bissell Zing features Cyclonic technology that delivers powerful, continuous suction to tackle even the toughest messes. Whether you're cleaning carpets, rugs, or hard floors, this vacuum effortlessly removes dirt, dust, and debris to leave your floors looking immaculate. With no bags to buy or change ever, cleaning has never been more convenient. Lightweight and maneuverable design. At less than 8 pounds, the Bissell Zing is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for cleaning around furniture and between rooms. The integrated carrying handle allows for effortless transportation, while the swivel steering ensures smooth navigation around obstacles. Say goodbye to heavy lifting and hello to hassle-free cleaning. Easy empty dirt cup for mess-free maintenance. Say goodbye to messy dirt cups with Bissell Zing's Easy Empty Dirt Cup feature. Simply press a button to release the bottom tank and empty the contents, keeping dirt off your hands and floors. The dirt cup filters and post-motor filter help capture more fine dust and particles, ensuring thorough cleaning with every use. Convenient cord retraction and storage. With 15 feet of cord length, the Bissell Zing provides great cleaning reach without the hassle of constantly unplugging and replugging. The cord retracts with the touch of a button for easy storage, keeping your vacuum neat and tidy when not in use. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to hassle-free storage. In conclusion, the Bissell Zing lightweight, bagless canister vacuum is a must-have tool for any home cleaning arsenal. With its powerful suction, lightweight design, easy empty dirt cup, and convenient cord retraction, the Bissell Zing makes cleaning a breeze from start to finish. Say goodbye to heavy, cumbersome vacuums and hello to effortless cleaning with the Bissell Zing. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.